Okay, I'm totally impressed. I put fuel in it and set the choke, turned on the fuel valve, put the ignition to on, pulled it one time, and it started. This is the first time it's been run. I'm just letting it get the oil circulating here, and then we'll speed it up. I got some test branches over here to the left. We'll give it a shot, see what happens. On the top, in the hopper, it's for leaves and very small branches, 1/2 inch. And then on the front, there's a chute there, and that's up to a 3-inch diameter. So we're going to try that. Let's go get a couple bigger pieces of wood, give it a shot. like it. There's a good demo of first time we run some small branches through the chipper. The manual recommends that when you're done, you turn the fuel off and let it run out of fuel. So that's what we did here. We just stopped it. Again, nothing really major. I did about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of some small to medium branches. I did some very small 1/2 inch branches with leaves, and had the throttle almost, not quite full throttle, maybe 3/4 throttle, and worked quite nice. So I'm going to go in now and we'll pull the inspection cover off and clear out any refuge in the chipper area, and we'll take a peek what's in there. But all in all, it runs pretty nice and does a pretty nice job of chipping up some small branches. Okay, before removing this cover, I've turned the fuel completely off, ran it out of fuel, disconnected the spark plug wire. Now we're going to pop the inspection cover off and clear out any refuge that's in the actually where the blades are that do all the chomping. Okay, we removed the inspection cover. Again, very special caution. Disconnect that spark plug wire and turn your fuel off. And now we can take a peek in here. Oh, by the way, all of the blades in this chipper can be removed and sharpened. So if you know how to do that, you can do it yourself. Or you can take it to a store like a lawnmower supply or something like that, and they will sharpen the blades up for you. So I don't see, again, I really didn't do much chipping, just a few pieces, so there's not a lot of buildup in the area where the blades are, but I wanted to pull the cover off just to see what was in there and remove any refuge that was in there, and I don't see very much. So that looks good to me. Again, before I put this away, I'll pop the cover back on, and then later I'll go out and when I gather up a bunch of branches and limbs, I'll do some serious chipping. But overall, I really like the quality. I like the way it works. And for about $480, it's a pretty nice deal. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.